Okay, at this point, what we're going to do is David's going to get his screen ready. I'm going to switch screens over to him, and he's going to give us a live demo and show us what happens during an attack. So you'll see a little bit of screen changing here. I'll end this presentation, and I'm going to transfer the control over to David.
Sounds great. Thank you, Grover. What we're looking at right now is the SpinOne dashboard. The top left is a summary of our G Suite backup services, and the top right is a summary of our G Suite security services. These both play a key role in the ransomware protection process, and I'll explain in a bit how. As the focus is ransomware protection itself, let's head over to that area and check it out. We have an active state scanner in place, which monitors events in G Suite and can take action at once. As you can see here, we have simulated 6 ransomware attacks in our testing environment. Besides stopping the source of the attack, our solution can also recover any files that were infected in the meantime automatically by using a previously backed up safe version. That being said, the whole process of detecting an attack, stopping the source, and recovering all of the data takes a matter of minutes. As we were talking about the hospitals, it took 4 days to recover all the files, whereas with Spin, it takes a matter of minutes, and this can all be done instantly. In all attacks where automated recovery of files were turned on, all files were successfully recovered, as you can see here. In the first attack, we disabled the automated recovery feature and tried out manually recovering the files that we wanted to. Now let's check out an attack and see what happened. As you can see, a ransomware attack had occurred on July 18, 2019. It started at 6:03 a.m. and it took 18 minutes for the process to complete. That means in 18 minutes, Spin was able to detect that an attack was occurring, stop the source, and recover all files that were affected in the meantime. 100 files have been, 108 actually, 108 files were affected in the time frame of this attack, and they were all recovered successfully, and you can see all of them listed over here. If there are any files that are unrecovered, you'll also see a new section around here and be able to go and manually recover those files as well. And
so David, let me interrupt. This seems like it's a key issue here. The fact that you're able to detect it early means that there's not days of recovery. It seems like that's one of the key issues going on, where when the ransomware propagates through the entire cloud, you might have terabytes a day that need to get recovered, but you're detecting and stopping it early.
Mm-hmm. That's right. We analyze the file behavior, and once we notice the threshold has exceeded, we take action. We stop the source of the attack and any files that were affected, which is not millions like the hospitals were doing. 180 files were recovered in the meantime. All right. Going from there, now you might be wondering where this attack came from. Who was exposed to the ransomware? How did this happen? And we can do that with our domain audit section. Our domain audit provides administrators with full visibility of what's going on in their domain, categorized by a risk level. So it will let you know if something risky or anyone is downloading too much data, but we're focused only on ransomware. So let's check out ransomware events. And as you can see from over here, the ransomware infection started spreading from Victor Smith's G Suite user account, specifically from Google Drive itself. If we click on the event itself, we can see a list of all the files that were infected and can manually recover as well if need be. And that's the beauty of our service, that this is all automated, right? You don't need any human monitoring 24/7 or any human input at all. Spin Backup's automated, so Spin's automated activity scanner performs 24/7 monitoring of any domain. And to sum things up, a couple points as well. To fully protect yourself from ransom cloud, we here at Spin believe that you need a data backup solution with an active state scanner that can detect and stop the source of any ransomware attacks.